Alright guys, so here are the Mustang, 64.5 Mustang parts that I spray painted earlier in another video. And the final result I'm very pleased with. Everything is very nice. Coverage was damn near perfect. It come out nice. I really like it. It's that lime gold metallic, old Ford color from the 60s. And we'll just take it from there. Alright guys, so I'm putting together the engine for the 64.5 Mustang. I just got the two halves glued together there, little clamps on them. But I went to look for the oil pan and it's chrome. And I'm pretty sure the 64.5 Mustang from Ford did not come chromed. So I'm going to take a little bit of this stuff here. This is, I don't know if you can read it real good, this is LA Awesome. Picked it up at the Dollar Tree, and we'll put it in a little tub here. Let's see if I can get that open. There we go. And we'll take it, stick it in there, and let it sit for, oh, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, and it should be good to go. So I'll report back when I get it going. Okay folks, next item up for bids on the Price is Right here, we're going to play with some mica powder pigment. Now this will be the first time I've ever used this. I'm going to mix it with some old style Testors gloss coat top coat, and then add a little thinner to it and try to get it to a decent consistency. And then spray it for the hood and the convertible boot cover and the interior on the 64.5 Mustang. So we'll see how that goes. I thought you might like to go along for the ride on this one. So I'm literally going to take, let me see, yep, still smells good. I'm going to take probably 3 of these, no exact measurement. I'm just trying to think about how much coverage I'm going to need here in a minute. So I'll take 3 of those. Comes out to whatever amount that is. I'll close that up so I don't spill it all over the desk and have a huge cleanup later. And I'm going to take the mica powder, and let's see what I have to, oh, it's got a nice little seal on it. That's cool. And it doesn't tell me a color, but you can kind of see what it is. Sort of a tannish gold. I hope that the color comes out close to what it looks like here in the box, or in the bottle, I mean. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pop it open with this. I don't know a lot about these things, these mica powder kits. I purchased these on Amazon, I think, a little while back. And let's see if I can get the right mixture. There's probably more than enough pigment right there. And then I'm going to mix it with one of these. Just a standard toothpick thingy. Let's see how it mixes. Hopefully it comes out decent. It's more of a goldish color than a brown, but that's okay. I'll go with it. So I'm mixing it up really nice. It actually looks a little on the thick side. That's why we got the thinner here. And we're going to wear a little bit of it, so that'll be fun. Add a little bit of lacquer thinner. Couple drops at a time. That should be good there. Close that up again so I don't spill it all over everything. Oh yeah, that's gonna be kind of nice, guys. I was hoping for a little bit darker brown, or tan, but this will work. I'll be alright with this. Maybe a couple extra coats and it'll darken up on me. It's alright guys, I'm going to shut the camera off and go get the spray gun all set up, and then I'll come right back to you. Okay guys, here we are by the paint booth. I've poured this in. right straight in from the bucket here. Should be good. A little bit of glitter in there. It's a little metallic-y. Hopefully that'll spray out nice. Let's see. Yep, coming out good. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit it and see what kind of results we get. Alright guys, so I mixed it a little thicker this time. I didn't use as much lacquer thinner. Let's see how it comes out. And it's spraying a little bit better this way. I got some cooling on here, so I'll have to cover that up. Yeah, I'm not really digging it. It's kind of cool looking. It reminds me of an old Mustang. I'm not wearing my mask because it doesn't transfer over to audio very well. So I'm doing the old Bazooka Joe shirt style. Alright guys, I'll be back after that dries. Alright guys, so here are all the parts once they got out of the paint booth. Alright, now it's time for mild assembly, some finer details, that kind of stuff. This is the interior top and convertible boot cover. I gotta tell you, the mica powder, I wasn't happy with it, so I left the results that I had on there, but then I sprayed over them with a little bit of a gold colored paint, and it came out way better than the mica powder. I'm sure that mica powder works, but I didn't want to use this model as an experiment, so I'll mess with that, you know, and see if I can improve those results along the way. Here's the dashboard and steering column and the steering wheel and all that stuff. That's ready to go in. I want to do some detailing on the interior and then just start putting the rest of it together. Alrighty, so a quick update here guys. This kit is going together wonderfully. I absolutely love it so far. Hats off to the Monogram Revell people for this one. This has been a pleasure to build so far. So most likely the next segment will be the completion. Here's the few parts I still have left to put on. We'll get it all tucked away. Be right back. Alright guys, there it is. 64.5 Mustang, hardtop, convertible. I gotta tell you, this kit was an absolute pleasure to build. I had a blast putting it together. I like the fact that you can make it a hardtop or a convertible by just switching out those two pieces, right? I enjoyed the heck out of this one, guys. I highly recommend this kit if you can find it still. Remember, I picked this one up at Ollie's. It is this kit right here. No complaints whatsoever. Everything went together very well. There's a little bit of the engine there. I wish I had done wiring on the engine, but I didn't. I was so excited to get it finished because it all went together so well. I had a lot of fun. I don't know if I ever showed you the bottom. There's the bottom. A little bit of detail. Really cool. Really cool. Highly recommend this one, guys, if you can still find it. So alrighty, here we go. That's another one in the books, and this one will definitely go out front on the shelf. A lot of hand painting details there. They did have decals for the badging and that, but I just painted them. I figured why not. This here's a decal for the little badge up there. I highlighted the Ford lettering with a chrome pen, and everything else was pretty much right out of the box, with the exception of, you know, detail in the wheels and that. But it's pretty cool. I do like it. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Thank you everybody for watching. Keep on modeling.